Okay, so I have showed this before, but this was the one with the original turnbull door operator still. It's still using the retiring cam, but the guys came and put a new GAL one on. But if we go down, you can see they used the turnbull linkage still, so that like it's still using here your turnbull locks, stuff like that. None of that stuff has been upgraded. We'll ride it up. I'm just here for a maintenance, so we'll take it for a ride. The door problems have stopped with the callbacks, but it'd be nice if someday they did a little more work. You can see how there's a delay in the opening because of the way it works with the cam and the door locks and stuff, right? It's still super rough, but it is. I would like to get that COP at some point in time, obviously. But yeah, we're just gonna run up to the machine room. So we're just. It's only like, what, 4 stops? So here's the roof access. And looks like the guys left it all here. I wonder if the actual, the door operator is actually gone, it looks like. That's the old cover. Huh. That's too bad. I would like to keep some of that, but I guess maybe I'll take that out for them. Okay, so here's the original turnbull controller. Don't see, I think maybe we have 2 of these, right? See, some of the contacts are not the best of shape. Oh, I could, that one right there looks like she's gonna pop off. Garbage, the brake. So this is, like, I think everyone calls it maybe like a clapper brake here, right? Where you've got, you can read the adjustments here, and right here for adjusting your brake. You got your spring and everything here. I'm assuming the paint is like what someone's done for the seal, right? Typically I wrap it around here so that you can't loosen this without busting a seal, kind of thing, right? Here's like your controller terminals. Someone's put in some fusing for the new door operator, right? That's good. Those are rated for maybe, I want to say only 7 amps. I wonder what that is. But maybe 3 amps or something, probably. That's kind of it, though. I'm gonna do a check out the MCP and do a hoist wave run on the way down. Maybe check that guy out, right? So she doesn't come popping off. But turn the power off. The car blocks and paddles are probably good. Yeah, that one looks good. So that's it.